Now, it's truly one of the best times of the year. Early spring, it's cool in the morning, it gets nice in the afternoon, the birds are chirping, flowers are growing, all my zinnias are growing by the day. Karen's excited about doing some work in the garden, and it looks like maybe pretty soon we're going to be able to go to the stores normally and buy supplies and, well, whatever. We'll see how that all plays out. But anyway, even if we don't, thank you to those healthcare workers. Boy, oh boy. Thank you. Anyway, I got to plan out a day today. I've got a lot of little things. And here's one of the funny things that's happening. Pokey has done me a lot of favors over the years. He's gotten me parts for bikes. He bought things off eBay for me and well, given me things, actually. The wheel balancer. So it's my turn to step up to the plate. He had a little mishap with his BMW. I don't know if he wants me to tell a story, so I'm not going to tell it now. But it is. I hope he does, because it is pretty funny. But I'll leave that for him. And if I can get him to drop the parts off this week coming up, you'll have a funny story to put in the bank. But we will be doing some work on his bike. I also have there's some work I wanted to do on a 750 that I wanted to make a separate dedicated video for. So, but the rule is, there's a golden rule when you live in northern New Jersey. If it's a riding day, you never miss a riding day. Because we don't have an unlimited supply of them. And if you waste them, it winds up at the end of the year, you look around and you say, why did I even buy a motorcycle? I didn't ride it that much. Another project, we got the whole headlight assembly that's supposed to fit. John at Economy Cycle told me he has an RD400 and it fit on pretty easily. Do a little drilling or reaming there. And we have done a lot of work on this bike unexpectedly, because what happened? We got done with our 650 project, and we're just waiting for this virus to be over, so we can be riding with Rob on a regular basis, I hope. But anyway, here's the good news with this. There's always some little part of this that I need to polish or address. I took care of the front brake line. We took care of basically getting jetting straightened out. But the big one is, and we're going to find out sooner or later, if this chrome plating place in Newark will be willing to do that, rechrome that exhaust for under $1,500. We're going to find out. And it looks like the roads are getting clearer. Every time I go out, the roads look a little bit cleaner, and they're pretty salt-free right now and pretty, well, not really dirt-free. We've had some real rainstorms. Once we can get some traction, getting these big bikes back out on the road. But the good news is, in the meantime, I've been having a ball. I don't know if anybody's noticed how much fun I've been having with the old RD. I know Luciano has. And I said this before, big bikes, powerful bikes, without traction control, on salty, slippery roads, not exactly my first thing. But all of that's going to change in the next week or so, and we are right on the cusp of having our spring riding season. I'll bet another week or two, and we will be riding virtually every day. So for me, all the battery chargers are flipped. We still have the bikes on battery charger, probably another month. And time to feed the fish, the birds, see what Karen wants to do, and make our plan for the day. Feeding the fish in the morning, always one of the priorities. There's just no second priority. And a big thing, no morning starts off without extra coffee. So there must be a run on seeds this morning. Look at this. I got a crowd here. They must think they're going to meet at Choppers to have some seeds. And some of the things in the yard have already started to bloom. We've been working in the garden every day, pretty much every day for an hour or so, trying to clean up everything and get ready for the summer planting season. All of the hostas are coming up just perfectly. Perfect. And it looks like a beautiful day. The wisteria is a couple days away from, oh, I see the first of the purple blooms. Look at this, one purple bloom up there. Wow, and then there's another one over here. In a couple of days, that's going to be a beautiful, beautiful plant. And look at the tree. The tree's already starting to get leaves on it. It's a beautiful time of year. In a daily zinnia report, they have grown. They're about, oh my God, 3 inches. Every one of them. Every one. We are going to have a bunch of zinnias. Some of these, I have to turn the pots. They start facing the sun every day as soon as the sun comes up. But we have baby zinnias from seeds. Okay, all my little errands are done for the day, so it's time to just check, make sure we're ready, pre-flight the bike, and we're ready to go. Well, getting the bike ready this time of year, you just know it's going to get nicer as the day goes on. And who would ever go for a ride without a radar detector? There's no people on the street. There's no people on the road. There's no cops. We still love our Valentine radar detector. Best investment you can ever make. couldn't have had a nicer day than this. Wow, it was just perfect. A little bit of breeze blowing, oh, a little bit of sun, blue skies. Oh, now we come home and you just can't imagine a nicer day. Great day. I'll actually have a little extra time to work in the garden tonight. And I know Karen's making something great for supper. So what the hell's not to like? Anyway, again, thank you to our healthcare workers. And by the way, see, as I was riding today, everywhere I went, those signs are everywhere. What a wonderful thing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. So this is what we're having tonight? We're having pancakes tonight for supper?
We're having breakfast.
Wow.
Breakfast for dinner.
Breakfast for supper. That's cool.
Or dinner.
Oh man, am I hungry tonight. There's nothing better than a little extra bacon. You just sneak over and grab a couple extra pieces of bacon. So this is a new trend we're having. Breakfast for supper. Wow. By the way, these are whole wheat to keep you healthy. And whole wheat bacon. This is not ordinary bacon, it's whole wheat bacon. So what are the ingredients here?
Not many. Olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper. And it'll get some basil when it comes out.
Oh my God, I'm a gourmet. Who knew I was a gourmet?